everyone, it's Lynn here from Stardust. I'm hoping this afternoon to share with you one of my favourite Easter recipes, but before that I thought it would be a great idea if I made myself a Stardust apron. Main part of the apron cut out, and I've also cut some straps. I'm just going to cut one more strap now to go around the neck. And that is the apron cut out. Straps, and just open this up. That's the main apron, 2 pieces, because I'm going to line it. So this is everything cut out now, the main part of the apron, the straps to tie the apron with, and the strap that will go round the neck. The next thing I'm going to do now is to machine the straps. Straps are machined, the next thing to do is to turn them inside out. Once the straps are turned through, I'm just top stitching close to the edge. An alternative to making fabric straps would be using some ribbon, same colour or contrasting colour. I'm now positioning the straps onto one of the main apron pieces. So I'm making sure that the side straps are the same distance down and the edges are together. Worth pinning these straps to secure them, just so that when you place the next piece on top and you are going to machine round, they don't get caught into the sides. Place the second piece of apron on top so that you're hiding the straps inside, and then match edge to edge, pin in place, and then that will be ready for machining. When I machine it, I will leave a gap along the bottom edge. So when I've levelled this up and pinned all the way round, I shall machine right the way round the edge of the apron, stop there, and then it will be a matter of turning it through. Right, well here's the apron now, all pinned, ready to be machined. I'm now going to trim some of the corners and cut snips into the curve so that when it turns through it will lay flat. And the curves snipped, and so it's a matter now of hand inside the apron and pulling the whole thing through. There we have it. Iron this flat now, and then I will top stitch all the way around. Again, just so that the apron lies flat, it'll be a matter of sparkling and jazzing this up. The last thing I'm going to do now is to top stitch around the outer edge of the apron. It will help to keep it flat, but also it will stitch up the gap. The final stage of this apron is going to be to decorate it and give it the Stardust theme. Those of you that have been involved in Stardust for quite a few years will know that Hannah's cheerleading team wear an outfit that I have made, and they have the word Stardust across their tops. I'm using the same letters, and I'm going to place those on the apron along with a ballerina and some stars. I'm going to be using some sparkly silver fabric, and what I've put on the back of that is this Heat and Bond. And what this is a piece I've already attached. I will then place the stars on here, pin them in place, and then I can cut them out. What then you do is peel off the backing paper. So what you've then got is glue here. When I put that where I want it to go and iron over, the heat of the iron will melt that glue and that will be permanently fixed in place. When you're happy with the arrangement, you need to get a clean cloth, place it over the top of the design, and then iron until the glue is melted and the design is stuck to the fabric. When you're happy that everything is well and truly stuck down, voila, we have our finished apron. Shall we have a look what it looks like on? Voila!